Every year, summer becomes winter. Winter becomes spring. And spring brings life back to Earth. It happens so naturally that most of us never stop to ask why. Why does our planet have seasons? Why is December freezing in one half of the world, while Australia is enjoying summer? The answer isn't the sun. It isn't Earth's distance from the sun either. The real answer lies in an ancient cosmic accident, one that happened 4.5 billion years ago, when another planet slammed into the young Earth. That single collision changed our world forever. It tilted our planet by 23.5 degrees, created our moon, and unknowingly shaped every forest, every ocean, and every civilization that would one day exist. Travel back 4.5 billion years. The solar system looked nothing like it does today. There were no peaceful planets, no blue Earth, no moon. Instead, millions of gigantic rocks, young planets, and molten worlds raced around the newborn sun. Collisions happened constantly. Some planets were destroyed, others grew larger by swallowing their neighbors. Earth itself was nothing more than a glowing ball of molten rock. Then a planet about the size of Mars appeared. Scientists call it Theia. For millions of years, Earth and Theia shared similar orbits until one day Theia crashed into Earth at nearly 40,000 kilometers per hour. The impact released more energy than billions of nuclear bombs exploding at once. Entire oceans of molten rock were blasted into space. Huge pieces of Earth's crust escaped its gravity. The collision knocked Earth's axis sideways. The Earth would never spin upright again. The debris from the impact didn't disappear. Over thousands of years, gravity pulled those fragments together. Slowly, they formed a brand new world, our moon. But the moon did something even more important. It stabilized Earth's tilt. Without the moon, Earth's axis would wobble wildly over millions of years. Sometimes almost straight, sometimes tilted more than 60 degrees. Life on Earth would face extreme climate swings. Instead, the moon acts like a giant stabilizer, keeping Earth's tilt close to 23.5 degrees. That tiny angle became one of the most important numbers in the history of our planet. Many people believe that summer happens because Earth is closer to the sun, but that's completely wrong. In fact, Earth is actually closest to the sun in early January, when it's winter across much of the northern hemisphere. 6 months later, the same hemisphere tilts away. Days become shorter. Sunlight arrives at a lower angle. Winter takes over. At the same time, the southern hemisphere experiences the exact opposite. That's why when people in Canada are building snowmen, people in Australia are enjoying the beach. All because our planet is tilted. A violent collision that should have destroyed our planet may have been the very event that made complex life possible. Its 23.5-degree tilt creates changing seasons, supports diverse climates, drives global weather patterns, and allows ecosystems to flourish across the planet. Every harvest, every snowfall, every autumn leaf, every spring bloom exists because billions of years ago, a young planet was struck by another world. One ancient impact changed Earth forever. Space isn't just out there. It shaped the world beneath your feet. Subscribe to Iginnie for more incredible journeys through the universe.